Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today we have a video on affiliate marketing, where we unravel the secrets to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. In the next 4 minutes, we'll guide you through the fundamentals and strategies that can help you unlock a world of passive income. So let's dive right in. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing model where individuals promote products or services for a commission. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a bridge between the product or service and potential customers. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program offered by a company. They provide you with a unique affiliate link or promo code to track your referrals. You then promote the product through various channels like social media, blogs, or email marketing. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link or code, you earn a commission. The key to succeeding in affiliate marketing lies in selecting the right niche. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. By focusing on a specific area, you can target a relevant audience and build trust with your recommendations. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to identify reputable affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, have a solid reputation, and provide quality products or services. Platforms like Online Business Network, ClickBank, and Rapid Profit Machine are popular choices for finding affiliate programs across various industries. Building a strong online presence is crucial for attracting and engaging your audience. Start by creating a website or a blog centered around your niche. Publish high-quality content that educates, informs, and entertains your readers. Remember, content is king. Offer valuable information, product reviews, and recommendations that genuinely help your audience. Don't be afraid to demonstrate your expertise and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Now, let's talk about promoting your affiliate links effectively. Social media platforms are a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Leverage platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook to share compelling content and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build relationships. People are more likely to trust recommendations from someone they connect with and perceive as genuine. Tracking and analyzing your performance is vital in affiliate marketing. Use analytics tools to monitor your website's traffic, conversion rates, and click-through rates on your affiliate links. This data helps you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Remember to optimize your campaigns continually. Experiment with different strategies, test different products, and refine your approach based on the insights you gather. Finally, the key to long-term success in affiliate marketing is patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a profitable affiliate business. Stay consistent, adapt to industry trends, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. That brings us to the end of our crash course in affiliate marketing. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.